Switching to the telephoto.
Storytelling. A simple word that means so much. Stories come in all shapes and sizes.
Got the shot. Let's keep moving.
For some of us, we live to capture these stories.
Hold on. I want to get this shot.
Moments in time that we can return to over and over again. What if you had the perfect tool to help tell your story? Something that works with you. Something that feels like an extension of your ideas. We set out to accomplish just that. The Chronicle is made by creators for creators. A tool that is at home in every environment.
Yo! What's up? Hey. Let's run it. Absolutely rocked it. That's it. So call it a day. That's a wrap. Later.